Hi, I'm Rachel and you're watching Geek Unicorn TV. Today I'm going to show you how to download all your Facebook data so that you can have a record of the photos that you've posted, the videos you've posted, all the text posts you've ever made and links you've ever shared. But it's also going to show you things that you don't see on your timeline, such as what information advertisers are using to target you, as well as what devices you've logged into Facebook with in the past. So it's pretty interesting and we're gonna get started. So as you can see, I'm on Facebook and I'm just gonna come up to the little drop down arrow and select settings. And you can see under my general account settings tab, down on the bottom, right here you can select download a copy from your Facebook data. Now you can see here they've got posts, photos, videos you've shared. A lot of people like to get this data because some people are afraid that if they delete their Facebook account, they'll lose a whole timeline of activity and life events that they've shared on Facebook, where really those photos and videos don't exist anywhere else. I know for myself, I've got all my wedding photos on Facebook, really. So I'm gonna hit start my archive. And we're gonna just enter in our security passcode. And then start my archive. So when your Facebook data is ready, you'll see a little link in your, what's that called? Notifications? Which are of course under the little world sign here, so it's right there. Again, we're just gonna enter in our passcode. And you can see it's a pretty big file there, 345 megabytes as a zip file. That's actually not too bad. And you see it's a pretty big folder, so it's gonna take a little while. Okay, so you can see here we've got messages, photos, videos. Let's have a quick peek into our photos. Wow, lots and lots of files here. I'm not sure how they're numbered, if it's attributed to a date or something like that. I'm really not sure how that works. So obviously you can poke around. These are really old photos. Look at these. All right, let's see what else we've got here. The videos. Wow, this is videos from a long time ago. So this really is all of my history here. This is great. Let's check out HTML. Events. I wonder if this is all the events I've ever been to. Wow, it's literally all the events that I was invited to, and look how long this thing is. Holy cow. There is a lot of cool info in here. Let's see if we can see anything else. Ads, yes, this is kind of what I wanted to see. So here are ad topics that Facebook thinks are important to me. Star Trek, absolutely. Marmalade, not so much. Not a big fan of Marmalade. I don't even know who Peter Mayhew is. Or Domhnall Gleeson, I don't know who that is. TED Talks, yeah, absolutely. Plants, sure. Maccabee, maybe not so much, but okay, sure. And then my timeline. Wow, and here are all my posts that I've ever done on Facebook. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. But what I'm really even more wanting to hang on to are these photos, because certainly I've had photos from events and the past that I didn't have access to before. And now if I wanted to delete my Facebook account, I could do so without worrying about losing that photo history that I've created through Facebook over the past, gosh, like 9 years or something. Thanks for watching. I'm Rachel from Geek Unicorn, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, I would like you to subscribe over here or check out any of our other videos over here. And you can always visit us online at geekunicorn.com. I'm just gonna stand here awkwardly until my time is up.